Hey there! Welcome back! Imagine walking into a store and you know exactly what to say in English to get what you want. Smooth, confident, and clear. Today, we're going to make shopping in English super easy for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for anything, understand prices, and even handle small conversations with shopkeepers, all without hesitation. So, get ready. Follow me step by step, and let's turn your next shopping trip into a fun, stress-free experience. When you enter a shop, the first thing you hear or say is usually a greeting. It's simple, but very important. You can say, "Hello, how are you today?" Or the shopkeeper might greet you, "Hi, welcome. How can I help you?" Notice how polite and friendly this is. Don't rush. Smile while saying it. Next, you can start explaining what you're looking for. For example, "I'm looking for a pair of shoes." Or, "Can you show me some fresh fruits, please?" Key words here are shopping in English, buying items, and asking for products. Always remember, using please and thank you makes your conversation smooth and polite. Once you know what you want, you need to ask for details. This is where your English really comes alive. You can ask, "What sizes do you have? Do you have this in red or blue? How much does this cost?" If you are in a grocery store, you can say, "Is this organic? Can I get 1 kilogram of apples, please?" Here, main keywords to repeat naturally are shopping in English, asking for products, and buying items. Tip: don't just memorize. Try saying it naturally, as if you were talking to a friend. Your confidence will grow instantly. After asking about the product, the shopkeeper will give you the price. Sometimes there are offers, discounts, or promotions. Listen carefully. "This is $20, but today there's a 10% discount." Or, "If you buy two, you get one free." You can respond by asking, "Can I get it for $18? Does this include taxes?" Remember, small conversations like these are perfect for practicing English while shopping. If you're not sure what to buy, asking for advice is natural. You can say, "What do you recommend? I'm looking for something suitable for summer. Which one is best for beginners?" This helps you not only learn new words, but also connect with people. Polite phrases like, "Could you help me?" or "I'd like your advice" are very powerful in shopping conversations. Once you've chosen your item, it's time to buy. You can say, "I'll take this one, please. Can I pay by card? Do you give a receipt?" Don't forget to thank the shopkeeper. "Thank you so much. Have a great day." This small step completes your shopping conversation with confidence and politeness. Shadowing is repeating what you hear instantly. For example, shopkeeper, "Hello, how can I help you?" You, "Hello, I'm looking for a backpack, please." Shopkeeper, "Sure, here are some options." You, "Thank you. I like this one. How much is it?" Do this multiple times. Your fluency will improve, and soon, shopping in English will feel natural and easy. Here are some extra phrases you can use. Do you have this in another color? Can I try it on? Is there a warranty? I'm just looking, thank you. Pro tip: always speak slowly, smile, and use polite words. These simple gestures make your English sound professional and friendly. And there you go. Today, you learned how to greet, ask for products, understand prices, ask for recommendations, and make a purchase, all in English. Keep practicing these phrases every day. Shadow, repeat, and soon you'll shop in English confidently anywhere in the world. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English practice every day.